is Dr. SuLin here from dr.SuLin.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what is MLSP, My Lead System Pro, and how does it actually work. So this MLSP is a training platform, an attraction marketing system for network marketers by network marketers. So I have been asked what attraction marketing strategy and platform that I'm using. So I thought of creating this video for you guys, just to share this attraction marketing platform that I recommend and I promote all of the time. So if you're in a network marketing company and are struggling to get leads online, I would highly recommend you to come on board this MLSP, because it teaches you how to build your business on the internet, how to attract people to you, your target audience, and your tribe to you, and converting those leads into sales, right? So number two, it also actually helps you create more income upfront, whether or not your prospects join your network marketing company, because statistics shows that out of every 10 people you show your presentation to, one will join you in your network marketing company. So if you don't have any other offers, what would happen to the other 9 people? You are actually leaving money on the table if you have nothing else to offer them, right? So this MLSP, they have the profits campaign where you get 100% of the profits if you convert the leads to sales. Okay, so number 3, this platform actually helps you generate leads for your business, because it has a lead magnets that you can use. As a beginner, they already have around 20 plus free lead magnets that you can be offering to your prospects. So it positions you as the leader with the skill sets and the mindset that you need in order to create results. So they have capture pages to collect your prospects details like email address and phone number, and some will actually join you. Okay, wait, so next would be they have the blogging system. So this blogging system is by WordPress and is a drag and drop system, which is so easy to use because they have the ready premium themes for you to just plug and play. Okay, so I will share with you my own blog. Okay, let me see. This is my own blog that I have set up halfway all these contents, and these are the lead magnets that you can just choose and plug and play. Okay, very simple. All right. So next will be the funnels, that they have a funnelizer that you can create and build your own sales funnels. For example, if you have your own coaching program, or you have your own agency, advertising agencies, or your own business, you can create a lot of your own sales funnels through this funnelizer, which is super simple. And I, even as somebody who is non-techie like myself, I can be creating it in less than 15 minutes. Then the next will be the CRM system, where all your prospects details will be kept there. You can tag your prospects to different labels, take notes, and schedule tasks you are supposed to do with each and every prospects. Next will be the marketing strategies. So they have up to around 10 years of trainings, all included in the library, and I'm going to share with you the library. So if you're sick and tired of applying the old school marketing strategies like three-way calls, offline strategies. Every week there is a marketing webinar that you can jump and hop on. It's free, and you can also invite your friends over. Every single Wednesday 9 p.m. EST, there will be a marketing webinar whereby there's the updated marketing strategies for you to learn. Okay, so my suggestion is that you pick one strategy, run with it, master it, and then only go to the next strategy. So here I'm going to share with you. They have 46 marketing strategy trainings at the back office at your fingertips as a member. Okay. They have attraction marketing module. If let's say you want to run with blogging, Facebook challenges, Facebook lives, paid advertising, Twitter, Instagram. You want to do video marketing, Facebook marketing, social media marketing, Periscope, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, webinars, copywriting, creating your own coaching programs. So all of it is in your back office. So it does help you to make more additional income while you build your network marketing business. And the next slides, I'm going to share with you one of my mentor who actually made it in MLSP. With just being on MLSP about 10 months, she has created an income of about 94,000 US dollar. So these are the screenshots of her back office that she shared with us. As you can see, these are her screenshots and earnings with MLSP alone, not including her primary business opportunity yet. 7,682, which was about within the 2 weeks, and 85,620 for 10 months. So added up, 85,000 plus 7,600 will be about nearly 94,000 US dollars. And the past 2 months, she had earned $42,879 from this system alone. So the question you might be asking is, does it actually work? But I can say that, so the question is not will it work, but the real question that you should be asking is, will you work at it? Because so long as you put in the work, there's the strategy step by step already in place, it will definitely work if you work at it. So if you want to take your 10-day trial for just $10, click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside dashboard of MLSP. Take care and have an awesome day.